Hey YouTube, so really quick video today for my Dax 125. I've got cam cover and tappet covers from Scooter Swap Shop. They're this really gorgeous machine pieces of aluminum that not only look good, but also with as many fins as they have will do a lot to dissipate heat. Anyway, on my 2025 Dax 125, I put a lot of aluminum accents around the bike. One area that I have been waiting to get something on though is that cam cover where I just currently have the boring black cover. Same with the tappet covers. I think this is going to add a lot of pop. And again, hopefully, particularly as I start modding the bike for power, cool the bike a little bit at the same time. So the installation for these three pieces are very simple. The only tool that you're going to need is an 8mm either socket wrench, or I'm using a box wrench that has a ratcheting function. First, for this cam gear cover, these two bolts are M6 bolts and they have the 8mm head. Now when you pop this off, a little bit of oil is going to drip out, so I'm going to use a towel to catch most of that. I also have a nice coated garage floor, so I'm not worried about it getting on the floor, just on other parts of the bike. All right, actually I lost no oil in that process. And then you need to remove this rubber gasket that runs along the stock cam gear cover. We're going to transfer this over to the one from Scooter Swap Shop. And the kit comes with new hardware. Instead of using the 8mm wrench, this is going to be I think it's going to be a 5mm Allen key. These torque down to 9 foot-pounds. And that's the extent of the installation, and this actually looks really good. The installation then of the tappet covers are pretty much the same deal. Let's go ahead and get the top one off first. I could probably get away with not removing this manifold cover, but I'm not going to be able to torque down these bolts properly if I don't. So I'm going to use, it looks like a 5mm Allen key to get this bolt, and a little push pin here, and that should pop it out. One more bolt here that needs an 8mm socket. And for the tappet covers, there's an intake one and it says IN in it. So does the stock one actually. Because for the newer motors, there's an oil port that comes here that squirts oil through the engine. So just again, pulling off the rubber grommet here and transferring it to the new one. This is a really dull razor blade, and that's why I'm not worried about using it to pull this gasket out. But it's really nice. This even has a little notches to keep this gasket secure in there. You know what, I just realized I put this on with the logo upside down. Let me spin this back the way it should be. Okay, and lastly, the exhaust tappet. Again, exact same process. All right, you can see we did lose a little bit of oil there. Not enough that I'm worried about oil levels, but just, again, why you want to have a little towel or something to catch it so that it doesn't end up on your garage floor or on your fairing or somewhere else. But this looks super cool. And I think, again, balances out the color that I'm going for, adding some of these aluminum bits. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. Let me get it out into the light and do a walk around. So super clean. I absolutely love the machining. Everything fit absolutely perfect. Very quick install. Show you what it looks like from this side too. With as big as those fins are, they're definitely going to help with cooling, and from a look perspective, they look absolutely amazing. So big thanks to Scooter Swap Shop for letting me try these parts out. I will link directly in the description below to this product, including an affiliate link as well as a discount code if you're interested in picking this up for yourself. I still have a lot of mods left for this bike, so if you haven't yet, please subscribe. If this was interesting at all, please give me that thumbs up. Thank you everybody very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.